As a busy mom, one of my favorite things to make is anything quick and ready to go. And I have Sach from the East India Company showing me this delicious puff rice salad. So I'm excited for this.
This is one of our most popular items at the East India Company restaurant in all our locations. It comes from South Indian menus. It's typically used as a salad or an accompaniment.
So right off the bat, I'm like, okay, this sounds complicated.
It's not.
Okay.
It's just easy. You can literally do this in about 5 minutes at home.
Yeah.
There's just a couple of ingredients that you have to gather. And
So puffed rice, I've never seen this. Puffed wheat I'm familiar with.
similar to puffed wheat, puffed rice is just a little tighter, very neutral in taste.
Yeah.
Comes in big
Crispy.
giant bags. Very crispy, and it's that crispy that mixes with some of the sweet and tart
I like
that
it.
we're going to add that really add to the flavor.
Okay, so I take it we can start with this.
Take a whole cupful of puffed rice or more, depending on how many people you're making for. So we've
Beautiful.
got that there. Sometimes you have to sift and just make sure that there's nothing else inside there,
good.
but we've done that already
Okay.
here. We're going to add some boiled chopped potato.
Excellent.
Finely
a little
chopped.
more texture in there, right?
Exactly,
Okay.
and people love that taste. So I've got some chopped fresh onion.
Ooh, I like it. How much do I put in?
You can put halfway.
Okay.
Now, if you want to use some red onion in here or some green onion as well,
Just a
that's
nice little variation.
completely welcome for sure.
Excellent.
Now, the flavor aspect is going to come in 2 chutneys, 2 sauces.
So what makes a chutney?
That's a great question, and I get that a lot. Chutneys are typically sweet or spicy,
Okay.
and they're coming from a fruit or a spicy jalapeno.
Okay.
And so, speaking right along those lines, we've got some mint chutney right here.
Okay.
And that one is jalapeno, mint, mixed together with some lemon juice. And we're going to add about halfway inside here. And that's going to give us our strong, spicy flavor.
Okay.
There we go. Now, to complement that is going to be our tangy tart tamarind sauce.
Ooh, say that 5 times. Tangy tart tamarind.
I did it twice before this show just to make sure. We're gonna add all of that
All of
there
it?
because
Okay.
we want that sweetness and we want that color to be soaked into all the puffed
Beautiful.
rice.
And the color comes from the tamarind, right?
Exactly.
Excellent.
And tamarind's a wonderful fruit. It's a cross between a grape and a mango. It's just delicious. We're gonna add a bit of green bell pepper. You can add some red bell pepper as well at home
Depending on
or
the color
yellow.
you're going for.
Exactly, time of year.
Excellent.
Now we've got all of those ingredients mixed. We're gonna give them a
Nice
good
little
shuffle.
stir.
Absolutely. And we're gonna see that the puffed rice really starts picking up that color.
Well, it's like anything kind of bland, like the potato rice. It'll absorb that beautiful.
Mandy, you've done this a couple times before. You know it.
I am a very big fan of East Indian cooking, so yes, we were laughing a little bit about how curry can ruin a stir.
So very, very true. So we've got that color that we want, and it's right
Oh,
there.
And the smell, the fragrance coming off that is beautiful.
And I don't care who's coming to dinner at your house or the barbecue, they're gonna love this. Doesn't matter what the age group is.
Well, I guarantee you, probably nobody else is going to be bringing this.
It's gonna be
right?
completely
The
different.
showstopper.
Great
Yep.
for potlucks. We're
Okay.
gonna garnish with a bit of savia, which is a lentil noodle. You can find this at any
so it's
ethnic
crispy.
store.
Okay.
A little crispy, adds a bit of crunch.
Yep.
And a bit of cilantro, of course. Just for
Nice.
garnish. Gives that nice, beautiful green color.
I love it.
And we're ready to serve.
Excellent. Well, guys, for more recipes like this, you can visit markandmandy.com. That's all the time we have for today, but we'll see you next time on The Marc and Mandy Show.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.